Hey students, Mr. Harrison here from school. Got an agenda video for you for the 27th and 28th, which is Thursday and Friday. We're going to come back from this little break and hit the ground running. The learning goal is first half is similar, the second half has changed a little bit, so let's take a look at that. After the lesson, I want you to be able to compare and contrast fission and fusion. That was up there. And this part's different. And evaluate, that's the new action verb, evaluate the positive and negative effects of actually using nuclear energy. So, the part about comparing and contrasting fission and fusion is right here. We're going to actually do our debate in class if you're a hybrid learner. If you're not, you just got to make sure you get your debate log assignment done. We want to be a little flexible with how long that might take, so that could be 10 minutes, it could be 20 minutes, I'm not really sure. Then we're going to shift to the second half, which is evaluate the positive and negative effects. And that's going to start with the Chernobyl video, and then there's some questions. We may pause it and do a little discussion after the video. And then the last thing will be the nuclear energy and people reading, which deals with the positive and negative effects of using nuclear energy. If you've seen the movie Jurassic Park, I'm paraphrasing a little bit, but there's a line where one of the scientists comes in there and says, when talking about cloning dinosaurs, your scientists were so interested to find out if they could that they didn't stop to think if they should. Now, I just want to, that's something to think about when in terms of fission and fusion. Are we so preoccupied trying to find out if we can that we don't really think about whether or not we should? So that's kind of the shift for the second half. Apologies, this is a little disjointed, but it's one of those where we didn't really quite finish with the one before, so we got to kind of hit that up and then start a new one. Go ahead and close this down and get started.